So, hey you all, welcome back to my channel. So this is RG Vlogs. So welcome to my channel. So once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, so finally I have reached my destination. So this is my park. Okay. So every plot we have park. Okay. I mean after one flat park is there. So this is type 2 series 3E. Okay, so two types are there. This is a type 1 series, and these types are called type 2 series. So everywhere you can see this is a park, and so many flowers. As you can see now, flowers is too less. At winter season too many flowers will be there, but it's good. Okay, full greenery, it's too away some. Really, this place I will be missing a lot. No, after only 14 days I'll be here, but complete 14 days I can't be here. Again, I have to go to my father's home, mother's home. Then there, that place, this place. Hardly 3 to 4 days only I'll be here. Only. That's it. Over. So as you can see, this is the parkings. My parking I would like to show you. So in my parking, as you can see, the car is a white color car. So my parking number I forgot. Let me see. So my parking number is 59. Yes, this is my parking. The flat, as you can see to it, this is Aura Flats. As that tower, as you can see, the far that is Parkwoods. So this is are all Lake City's belongings. So I live in Lake City. So that is Parkwood and that is Aura. So beautiful places, guys. Really, I don't want to go anywhere. This is only my every spot. Picnic or what or resort also I can call it as. It's totally awesome. I'll show you many things still more. These flats are type 2 series 4. And these types I can't this type 1 these are all don't know what is exact number. Okay, many flats are there like this. So let's see go towards bungalow. So hey guys, as you can see these are all parkwoods. So as you can see, this is my one of my best friend's home, Riju Saptarshi is his name. So here it starts bungalow. So bungalow we have A B C D method, A B C D A to X I think. So it's there. Y Z is not done. So this is the bungalow. So here it comes your bungalow. So as you can see, so this is our security guard. Everything he'll be going on checking. So he helps a lot. Okay, nothing to worry. Full they'll be rounding for 24 hours. Many security guards are there. I'll go there also. See the greenery, guys. Beautiful nature. What else required, right? So I think so. It's looking very good, right? Let's we go forward. So again, they're constructing. First, it was all tar roads. Now they're preparing in concrete. Now let's we go towards all bungalow. These are all bungalows. Okay. So these are all bungalows. As you can see to it. This is this is a lake, guys. This is a lake. As you can see to it. That is the community hall. Okay, clubs and all. I'll try to roam it fast. I'll be showing you all properly. Ashoka tree. This is what they call, guys. I don't know properly you say to it. So these are all the bungalows. So this is another one my best friend's home. Ayush his name. Ashish also there. So here it comes a swimming pool, but no water due to COVID or whatever. Let's see when they will put water. So finally I came to community. So this is a recreation room. Swimming pool you see, guys. From here the Nazara is only different. These are all office room. We have library, games room. So many rooms are there. Up we have to go still more. Many things are there. So this is a swimming pool, as you can see to it, guys. And one thing I would like to say, that if you're not still subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So this is RG Vlogs. So 14 days I'm going to be here. Okay. Oh, this is type 4 flat IJKL. What are the many flats are there, guys? I am really not getting. So I would like to say, so many fishes are there, as you can see the droplets. You will think that it's rain. So it's all the droplets. I mean, fish is also there. So many, very deep it is. Minimum 50 feet it is, as you can see to it. So guys, this much only. Total 400 flats are there. So rain also started. So I have to run. Oh my god, it's too far my home. I have to go there. I have to run now. So run, guys, run. You have to run it now. So I'll show the entrance part also, from where we have to entry. So here is the entry part. So 9 steps we can go. Properly will be there till your neck. It will be there water. Then after 9 step you miss, then God can say means it is well good, or you know the swimming means it's well good, or else gone to spot. So they does not leave. So they does not leave at all to swim or whatever. So with you another person should be there who knows swimming. 2 members to 1 member or 3 members is well good. Then only they'll leave you to go in this water to swim or whatever. So this is our lake. So huge lake it is. Boat was also there. Now they have closed it. So as you can see, these are all 2 old flats. Before it was. Now they are maintaining. They will try to paint and they'll make it again new. So hey guys, I was just roaming. Okay, this is our entrance part actually. Actually from here we have to entry. Okay, from here we have to enter. So this is our security guards. They'll be sitting here. So let's we see to it what they're saying. Let's stand together by not standing together. Please do maintain social distance. Courtesy Lake City Abasik Summit. This is the security room. So everybody who will be coming, so they close the gate and they'll be opening. So full security. Okay. So guys, I'm ending the video here only. I don't want to go outside. Okay. See this. This is the main. No mask, no entry. Okay. This is the best. So I have done my COVID test. Everything it's negative only. So prevention is better than cure. See this. So do maintain this. Okay, guys. So okay, guys. I would like to end here only. So as you can see, their mic is also saying same thing. So I am ending here only. Thank you. So if you are not like to my channel, please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. So this is RG Vlogs. So we will come to the next vlog. Till then, stay tuned.